Hi, welcome to Fox ERP tutorial video regarding pricing management. If you apply discounts on the item based on certain conditions, you can use the pricing rule to define these conditions. In the pricing rule, you define criteria based on these parameters for the auto-application of discount or margin. Let's assume a scenario where we want to give a predefined discount to a customer if they order specific quantities of an item. Select a criteria based on which you want to apply this rule. Let's apply a rule based on the item group. If you select the most parent item group like all products, then the pricing rule will be applied to all the items. Select the exact item group here. You can check selling or buying, or both. Based on the field checked here, select selling criteria here. Let's select a customer in these fields. Enter the range of quantity for which this pricing rule will be applied. Enter the dates for which this pricing rule will be valid. Here you can define your sales margin, which will be applied to the price list rate of the item. You can use this feature if you are fetching items rate in the price list rate. Here select whether you want to apply the discount on the price list rate of an item or reset the price list rate itself. Let's update discount. Enter discount percentage. If needed, you can select a pricing list only for which this pricing rule will apply. Let's save this pricing rule. If you have pricing rules overlapping with each other, you can set the priority for each of them. Higher the value, higher will be the priority. Now let's check the impact of this pricing rule on transactions. This is a quotation for the customer and item for which we just configured a pricing rule. For now, there is no pricing rule or discount applied. Let me increase the item quantity based on the quantity range defined in the pricing rule. Now you can notice that discount percentage is auto-applied based on this pricing rule. If this field is checked, then pricing rule will not be applied to this transaction. Hope you found this video tutorial useful. Thanks for watching.